Hello everyone, welcome back to Food and Nutrition Expert channel. In today's video, we're going to learn how to make side vegetable for our carbs, our carbohydrates. That's rice and stew is for today's own. The ingredients or the vegetables I am going to use are, I'm going to use spring onions, I'm going to use carrots, I'm going to use green bell pepper and green beans, then onions. I'm also going to use onions for the side vegetables. First of all, you wash the vegetable properly with salt and clean water. You can wash it for about 3 times before you can start slicing your vegetables. And make sure everything you are using is clean. Your knife is clean, your cutting board is clean, your hands are clean. And then you start slicing. I'm slicing carrots first. You slice, get a bowl or a plate where you be pouring the ones you have sliced according to how you want to put them. You can keep them in a flat plate or on a tray or in a bowl. And you slice and start putting in the flat plate. So I'm now cutting my green pepper. You remove those inner seeds of the green pepper and then removing it. I don't think it can cause any harm even if you do not remove it. But I don't know, it's already my culture of removing those seeds. So that's why I remove it. It's not bad if you leave it. Then after slicing my green pepper, I continue to wash the other vegetables for slicing. So now I want to tell us the importance of adding vegetables to your everyday meal. Did you know that adding vegetables to your plate every single day could be the simplest way to protect your health, boost your energy, and even help you live longer? Yes, these colorful plants are more than just side dishes. They are nature's own medicine. They are nature's own medicine cabinets loaded with everything your body needs to thrive. Can you see what vegetable can do for us? It is medicine to our body. It helps our body to be strong. Oh, vegetables are nutrient powerhouse. They are nutrient powerhouse. Vegetables are bursting with essential vitamins and minerals. Vitamin A for your eyes, vitamin C for your immunity, vitamin K for your bones, folate for cells growth, potassium for your heart, and magnesium for your muscles. They feed your cells with exactly what they need to keep you going strong. Think of them as tiny health boosters in every bite. Your gut's best friend. Fiber. Have you heard of fiber? Fiber is your gut's best friend. One of the most overlooked superhouse of vegetables is fiber. Fiber is like the broom that sweeps through your digestive system, keeping things moving smoothly. It prevents constipation, feeds healthy gut bacteria, and even helps reduce your risk of colon problems. And here is the secret. Fiber also keeps you full, which means you are less likely to overeat unhealthy snacks. Can you see what vegetable can do for us? Whoa! Vegetable is very important to our body. Continue to listen. I will tell you all about why you should always add vegetables. Now, another one is for strong immunity. Stronger you. Vegetables are rich in antioxidants, natural compounds that protect your body from damage and inflammation. The vitamin C in bell peppers, broccoli, and leafy greens helps your body fight off infections and recover faster when you're sick. The beta carotene in carrots and pumpkin supports your immune system and keeps your skin healthy, acting as a shield against harmful free radicals. Wow, vegetable is very good. So after slicing the vegetable, you bring your frying pan or a pot. You can use a pot if you want, or you use a frying pan. After you allow the frying pan to dry because it might be wet, you rinse it. So then add a little vegetable oil. You don't need to add much. Add your little vegetable oil. Then start adding onions. Add onions first. Onions is the first thing to add so that it will bring out fresh, so that it can bring out fresh aroma, and then spicing it off with garlic. Added garlic. I forgot to tell you that I love garlic. I love using garlic in my food because it is an antibacterial and fungal. It has antibacterial and fungal in it. I love it. So after adding my onions, I'll now choose to add, the next one I'm adding is the spring onions. Add, the spring onions and the green bell pepper. I add spring onions or the green bell pepper. Just add accordingly so that the spice or the taste will come out well. After adding the spring onions and green pepper, you stir for some time. Allow it to cook for some time before you add the next vegetable. But don't forget, carrot is the last vegetable to add. Then the next one to add is my green beans. The green beans is the most bulky vegetable in that place. So I will add the green beans because I need the green beans to be done so that when I'm done cooking, it will not still be strong. I like it soft. I like green beans to be soft after cooking. Oh, the one I like to be crunchy is my carrots. Then I added the green bell pepper to it. The green bell pepper, and continue to turn it, stir it. Stir. After stirring, continue to stir. Stir and add other ingredients like add salt. Very soon I'm going to add salt to it. I use half teaspoon or 1 teaspoon of salt. I use 1 teaspoon of salt with garlic. Added garlic. I forgot to tell you that I love garlic. I love using garlic in my food because it is an antibacterial and fungal. It has antibacterial and fungal in it. I love it. So after adding my onions, I'll now choose to add, the next one I'm adding is the spring onions. The spring onions and the green bell pepper. I add spring onions or the green bell pepper. Just add accordingly so that the spice or the taste will come out well. After adding the spring onions and green pepper, you stir for some time. Allow it to cook for some time before you add the next vegetable. But don't forget, carrot is the last vegetable to add. Then the next one to add is my green beans. The green beans is the most bulky vegetable in that place. So I will add the green beans because I need the green beans to be done so that when I'm done cooking, it will not still be strong. I like it soft. I like green beans to be soft after cooking. Oh, the one I like to be crunchy is my carrots. Then I added the green bell pepper to it. The green bell pepper, and continue to turn it, stir it. Stir. After stirring, continue to stir. Stir and add other ingredients like add salt. Very soon I'm going to add salt to it. I use half half teaspoon or 1 teaspoon of salt. I use 1 teaspoon of salt, and I'll add my spices. I use natural spices. The first one I use is coriander. I got my coriander, grounded it powder, and I added to it. I added the next one I've added is my thyme. I added thyme, half tablespoon of thyme. I added, okay, I'll soon add my cinnamon. Then you stir them so that the salt will go round. Stir, continue to stir, and as you're stirring, you'll notice that the vegetable is also cooking. Then I'll add the next spice now. The next one, I'll add cinnamon and continue to cook. Now let me continue to tell you the health benefits of including vegetables to your daily meals. I'll continue with where I stopped. Heart health protector. Your heart loves vegetables. Potassium from spinach, sweet potatoes, and tomatoes helps keep your blood pressure in check. Leafy greens and cruciferous veggies like cabbage and broccoli contain compounds that help lower bad cholesterol and keep your arteries clear. In fact, people who eat more vegetables have a much lower risk of heart disease. You see that? So the next one, balancing blood sugar. If you're worried about diabetes and unstable energy levels, vegetables can help. The fiber in veggies slow down how quickly sugar enters your blood, preventing sugar spikes and crashes. This means you will have steady energy and a reduced risk of insulin resistance over time. You see? Vegetable is very good for you. The next one, glowing skin and bright eyes. Want radiant skin? Want to protect your vision? Vegetables have you covered. Orange and green veggies like carrots, kale, and spinach are loaded with beta-carotene and lutein, which keep your eyes sharp and your skin vibrant. Vitamin C also helps your body produce collagen, the protein that keeps your skin smooth and youthful. Wow, can you see that? Weight management. Without starvation, vegetables are low in calories but high in volume. That means you can fill half your plate with them, feel completely satisfied, and still maintain a healthy weight. This is one of the best kept secrets for long-term weight loss. You eat more but weigh less. Oh, the next one, disease prevention and longevity. Research shows that people who eat plenty of vegetables lower their risk of heart disease, stroke, certain cancers, and even dementia. These plant compounds actively work in your body to reduce inflammation, improve cell repair, and protect your DNA. Simply put, more vegetables today could mean more healthy years tomorrow. Can you see that? Then continue to stir the vegetables while they are cooking. I told you my carrots, I need my carrots to be crunchy. That's why I always add carrots the last time and then continue to stir. Then I'm still on the health benefits of including vegetables in your daily meals. The next one, bone strength. Leafy greens like kale, collard greens, and broccoli are not only rich in calcium, but also contain magnesium and vitamin K, essential nutrients for strong bones and teeth. This makes vegetables especially important as we age. Remember, healthy eating isn't about strict rules. It's about daily choices. And one of the smartest choices you can make for your body, your mind, and your future is to include vegetables in your meal. Wow, my vegetable is almost done, and very soon I'll be dishing out the food. It's time to dish out the food, get my plates, and start dishing out for the vegetables. Whoa, make sure the vegetables are much in the food so that we'll not eat more of carbs, Add vegetables, baby. Add it. Wow. Vegetable is more delicious than all these carbs you're seeing. All this processed food. Process yours at home. Make your own veggies. Make it colorful. Make it the way you love it. And eat it the way you want. Can you see that? That's my rice and stew. And that's my vegetable. And water. I'm not using fizzy drink soap. Healthy. I'm talking about healthy meal now. With water, use table water. Just use water and enjoy your meal. I'm telling you, you are going to testify how strong you feel. Please, parents, I encourage you to add vegetables also to your kids, even when they don't want it. Tell them the benefits of eating vegetables, and you will see those children they'll surprise you and they'll eat vegetables. This is Food and Nutrition Expert Channel. Thank you for watching, and watch my other video on how to prepare opadioku with aluminium plates. Keep eating healthy. See you in that video.